Hello everyone. Today I want to share my views on global warming. In global warming, I want to share my views on what is the global warming, what is the meaning of global warming, and what is the impact of global warming and greenhouse gases and greenhouse effect also, and the diagram also, like that some other views also. And before starting the topic, I want to share that if you are the first viewer of my channel, then please subscribe my channel. Okay, so starting with the topic, what is global warming? As you all know that in the present view, global warming is a very important topic. And what is global warming? Global warming is long-term heating of earth climate. Number one, it is the long-term heating of earth atmosphere or earth surface or earth climate. Okay, and when it is observed, second one is when it is observed, the question is arise of 1 marks. It is observed since the pre-industrial period. What is the time period? Between 1850 and 1900. And what are the main reasons behind it? The main reasons are due to the human activities. What are the human activities? Like fossil fuel burning, and by the fossil fuel burning there is a increase in the greenhouse gas level, okay, in the earth atmosphere. This is the main cause of global warming. Okay, now the meaning of global warming. The main meaning of global warming is the increase in the temperature of earth atmosphere or earth surface. Okay, and it is attributed to the greenhouse effect, which is caused by the levels of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, CFC, and other pollutants also. Okay, now the other one is global warming is the rapid increase in the earth average surface. It is the rapid increase in the temperature of earth surface, like that. It is the rapid increase in the temperature of earth surface, and the basic reason is it is due to the increase in the greenhouse gases, like, and due to the burning of the fossil fuels also. Okay, now causes of greenhouse gases. There are main causes of greenhouse gases, like number one, variation in the sun's intensity. There is a variation in sun's intensity. There is a high increase in the sunlight or low increase in the sunlight, like that. Number two, industrial activity, agricultural activity, deforestation. Industry, because due to the industrial activity there are many industries there are many chemicals released. There are many chemicals released due to the industrial activities. Smoke is increased, and dust is increased, like that. This is the main reason for global warming. Agricultural activity, many fertilizers are used in agricultural activity. This is the main reason. Deforestation, earth on feedback loop, power plants, transportation, these are main reason. Deforestation is very important reason for the global warming, because when there is a no trees, when the glaciers are due to the high heat, due to the high increase in the heating of earth surface, there is a loop of glaciers. There is a struck of the glaciers, and there is no trees in the our land. then glaciers टूट करके रिवर्स में सीधे जाएंगे. दिस इज ड्यू टू द रीजन दैट ग्लोबल वार्मिंग का रीजन मेन है ये है. ओके, पावर प्लांट्स, 40% of US carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is the main carbon dioxide from electricity production. When electricity produced, carbon dioxide is also produced. Due to the increase in the carbon dioxide, global warming is increased. Okay, transportation and also fertilizer, oil drilling, natural gas drilling, permafrost. Fertilizer, when we used fertilizer like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, there is a increase in high intensity. We use fertilizers, there is a increase in the global warming. Oil drilling, when oil wells boring from the land, then carbon dioxide is and carbon products are produced from the land, then it is the increase of the global warming. And natural gas drilling, when there is a drilling of the natural gas, then carbon dioxide and carbon products are produced. So it is the main reason. Permafrost. Permafrost is a frozen layer on earth surface, frozen layer below the temperature is below 0 degree centigrade. Okay, these are the main reason. I think that which is a very present view of global warming. This is the main reason for the global warming, I think so. Okay. Okay, now there are I have many other questions also like that. How does global warming work? How does global warming work? Global warming कैसे work करती है? Human activity affects global surface temperature. It means that global surface temperature, global warming is the increase in the temperature of earth surface when human activities like burning of fossil fuels and other activities, there is a increase in the heat of greenhouse gases, then there is a that will change the earth radiative balance, that will change the earth balance. And that you all know that it is the give and take of everybody, human activities and atmosphere. Okay, and it is a give and take between what comes in during the day, that what activities are done in the day and what that activities impact at the night. Okay, like that. So increase in greenhouse gases, this is the second reason that I have told you earlier, that increase in the greenhouse gases. Increase in the greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane absorb heat energy and due to these greenhouse gases, there is an increase in the temperature of the earth surface, and they re-radiate it back, generated by industry and transportation, cause the atmosphere to retain more heat, which increase temperature and alters precipitation patterns. It means that when there is an increase in the greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane and it absorb heat energy and it affects the earth surface and it back regenerated by the industries also and transportation system, and it affects the atmosphere also and due to these reasons temperature increases and it alters, it means it changes the precipitation pattern. It means that there is no rain and there is a less rain. Okay, like that. Where does global warming occur in the atmosphere? It's the main question. Where does global warming occur in the atmosphere? Global warming, the phenomena of increasing average air temperature near Earth's surface over the past 1-2 centuries happen mostly in troposphere, the lowest level of atmosphere which extends from Earth's surface up to a height of 6 to 11 miles. It means that global warming, when there is an increase in the temperature of Earth's surface past 2 centuries, it happens only in the troposphere, which is the lowest level of atmosphere. Before starting the other question, I want to share that if you are the first viewer of my channel, then please subscribe my channel and like my video also and share my video also. Okay, now the other question is, what are the natural causes of global warming? What are the natural causes of global warming? Okay, the Earth climate is influenced change through natural causes like volcanic eruption. These are the natural causes of global warming. Like that, natural causes like that, volcanic eruption. There are many volcanic eruptions, ocean currents, okay, and Earth orbital changes, solar variations, and internal variability. There are many questions arisen like that. What are the natural changes? What are the natural causes of global warming? Number 1, volcanic eruption. Number 2, ocean currents. Number 3, earth orbital changes. Number 4, solar variation. Number 5, internal variability in the short term cooling. Okay, it means that volcanic eruption, there are very volcanic eruption many times and ocean currents, like that समुद्र की तरंगे या तूफान जब आते हैं, that's the main reason. And the earth orbital changes, अर्थ का एटमॉस्फेयर चेंज करने के लिए अर्थ का ऑर्बिटल्स चेंज हो जाते हैं. सोलर वेरिएशंस, there are many changes in the solar system also, like sun's intensity, sun's variation in the sun's intensity, like that, and internal variability in short term cooling, like that. Volcanic eruption pump out clouds of dust and ash which block out some sunlight. These all reasons block out the sunlight. These are the natural causes of the global warming. Okay, so now I have the next question also. What are the greenhouse gases? What are the I have I have told you the global warming, the questions of global warming, and there the question has arisen that what are the I have told you about the greenhouse gases. But what are the greenhouse gases? What are the greenhouse gases? The primary greenhouse gases in Earth atmosphere are water vapors, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone. These are the main greenhouse gases. B. And it covers, what are the, these are the question of many 1 or 2 marks, like that. What are the greenhouse gases? That's carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone. And it covers the counting and reporting of 6 greenhouse gases covered of UNICEF Kyoto Protocol currently. Okay, and the others also are hydrofluorocarbons HFCs, and perfluorocarbons PFCs, and sulfur hexafluoroxide SF6, and nitrogen trifluoride NF3. These are the main greenhouse gases, like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone, and also PFCs, and it means perfluorocarbons, hydrofluorocarbons, sulfur hexafluoride SF6, and nitrogen trifluoride also NF3. Okay, now how do greenhouse gases contribute to global warming? How do greenhouse gases contribute to global warming? A greenhouse gas is any gaseous compound in the atmosphere that is capable of absorbing infrared radiation. There are radiation trapping and holding heat in the atmosphere. By the increasing the heat in the atmosphere, greenhouse are gases are responsible for greenhouse effect, which ultimately lead to global warming. It means that when there is an increase in the heat in the earth atmosphere and in the level of the greenhouse gases, then there is which is responsible for greenhouse effect, and which is ultimately lead to global warming. Okay, so this is all about global warming, and also greenhouse gases, and I have also the other videos also of this topic, and so please like my video, share my video, and like my video, and thanks. Okay.